trying to go back in the water.
Keep going straight.
Huh?
Keep going straight. All you can do is hang on when you start going uphill.
Yeah, your heart's beating. Calm down. Okay.
Is that good?
Taking swimming. Literally swimming.
There you go. Hang on. There, hang on. There you go. Woohoo! He's just in the grin on his face. He's a cheese. I think he was going, oh gosh. Oh.